Sort data frame by descending rows and columns at the same time. Currently have a data frame that is countries by series, with values ranging from 0 to 25. I want to sort the DF so that the highest values appear in the top left first, while the lowest appear in the bottom right last. From to in this, the column with the highest values is now first, and the same is true with the index. I have considered reindexing, but this loses the country's index. I have thought about creating a new column and row that has the mean or sum of values for that respective column/row, but is this the most efficient way? How would I then sort the DF after I have the new rows/columns? Is there a way to reindex using? That would allow me to keep the country index, and simply sort it accordingly. Thanks for any and all advice or assistance. Edit intended result organizes columns and rows from largest to smallest. Regarding the first row of the A and B columns in the intended output, these are supposed to be 2, 3 respectively. This is because the intended result interprets the A column as greater than the B column in both sum and mean, even though either sum or mean can be considered for the value of a row/column. By saying the higher numbers would be in the top left, while the lower ones would be in the bottom right, I simply meant this as a general trend for the resulting DF. It is the columns and rows as whole, however, that are the intended focus. I apologize for the confusion.
You could use
use .t to transpose rows to columns and vice versa. Result.
using NumPy. Output. Here's another way, this time without transposing but using axis equals 1 as an argument.
I like